These units are manufactured in Mexico by Carrier for Baker Distributing Company, which is a subsidiary of Watsco Incorporated. They are available with 13, 14, or 16 SEER efficiencies, but HVAC Repair Guy would not recommend installing the 13 or 14 SEER models. The WCA6 units are basic models that feature durable scroll compressors and an average warranty that includes unit replacement if the compressor fails within the first year of operation. Their wire grill doesn't do too much to protect the coil from damage due to lawnmowers or hail. The units are only available in the USA through authorized dealers, and the dealer network is rather limited. The units are relatively noisy when compared to other brands and have a sound rating that is about the same level as a crowded restaurant. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HVAC Repair Guy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HVAC Repair Guy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HVAC Repair Guy YouTube channel.